Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. Now, today,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. Today, all of you take a rough copy and a pen. Keep it to yourself. Please have a rough copy. And Ronit, please stop sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you, please have a rough copy with yourself. A rough copy and a pen. Good afternoon, all of you. Now, tomorrow we are going to have our online test, science online test, and in that online test, you are having this chapter for your test. Good afternoon. All of you, good afternoon. Come soon. Now, today we will focus on the question answers and all the topics from the same chapter and the question answers which are given at the back of it. Because tomorrow we will have our online test, so let us revise one by one. You will put up your hand only, and first you have to note down the question, but don't open your book. Nobody will open the book. Close your book, all of you. Stop sharing. Don't open your book. Just judge yourself that what you have learned is sufficient for tomorrow's work, tomorrow's online test. So, write down this question. State the meaning of the term soil. State the meaning of the term soil. Down the answer, and those who will write down first, they will put down their hand. State the meaning of the term soil. Quickly write down the answer, and after that, come to the screen and tell the answer.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
State the meaning of the term soil.
Earphone भैया. Ma'am, repeat. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. We are doing our revision work, so you will write this question. Those who have joined just now. Meaning of the term.
1 minute, ma'am.
Take a pen and paper. Just a practice exercise for today. State the meaning of the term soil.
Just please.
Now, have you, anybody has written this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashutosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashutosh, Ashutosh, tell the answer. Ashutosh Nanu. Okay, then Adarsh. Adarsh Kumar from 7A. You have written, tell me the answer.
Sorry.
Adarsh Kumar,
Can you please repeat what is the question? Ma'am, can I?
state the meaning of the term soil.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is it? Logic.
No, ma'am, Divyansh.
Soil can be defined as the naturally occurring losing the covering broken rock particle and the decaying organic
First
matter
come,
humus.
Ronik, come to the screen. Connect with the screen so that I can see if you have written or not.
Ma'am, can
Okay. Devyansh, yes, you tell. Devyansh,
soil is the natural occurring loose covering of many broken rocks, particles, and decaying organic matters.
yes,
Yeah.
correct. When you tell the answer, you come to the screen. Okay. Then after that, next question. Name the types of soil classified on the basis of soil texture. Name the types of soil on the basis of soil texture. Name the types of soil classified on the basis of soil texture. Those who finish it, come to the screen quickly. Yes, Aman. Yes, Aman, you tell. Aman,
Ma'am, sandy soils, clay soils, and loamy soils.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I?
who? Divyansh, you have- Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, you don't want to tell? बोलना चाहते हो ऋषभ? Roll number 70. I'm talking to you. Do you want to tell the answer? No. Okay. Abhinay, you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Yes, ma'am. On the basis of soil texture is divided into three categories: sandy soil, loamy soils, and clayey soils.
Yes. List any three causes of soil pollution. Next question. Write down. Next question.
Ma'am,
Write down. List any three causes of soil pollution. Rishabh, close your screen and write down the question.
I don't totally.
List any three causes of soil pollution. Shivam, are you ready with the answer?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
I can tell.
Any three causes of soil pollution. List any three causes of soil pollution. Let all of them write down first. And wait. List all the first write down. List any three causes of soil pollution.
Chemical pesticides or land.
Ma'am, can I?
Sizes of
Ma'am, can I?
Who? Aditi?
Ma'am, Rishabh Raj.
Aditi? No?
Ma'am, I can tell.
ये you are
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
मैम बोलना है या लिखना है?
बोलना है.
मैम
Ma'am,
can
can
I?
I?
Soil pollution.
Okay.
Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Soil pollution.
You try.
Soil pollution is caused by factors like use of chemical pesticide,
Yes.
excessive use of fertilizer.
क्या करती है? कैमरा के सामने इरेजर का ले आती है?
Come to the
Surface.
screen. To the screen.
Ma'am, can I?
All the questions. Shivam is telling na.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Common surface water to subsurface, starter, oil and fuel dumping.
Tell your name first.
Ma'am, Rishabh Raj.
Okay, tell. Rishabh, tell.
Chemical pesticides, excessive use of fertilizers,
Yes.
and oil and fuel dumping.
Okay. Correct. Stop. Next question. Get the meaning of the term profession. Get the meaning of the term. Meaning of
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, get the meaning of the term cohesion. Aditi, you can tell. Sound is not coming, Aditi. Anybody else? Omkar, you can say. Omkar, you can say. Yes, tell.
Is a tendency of what? Tendency of the particles to stick to each other, to one another.
Okay. Correct, Aditi, correct. You again.
The tendency of particles to stick to one another is
Loudly.
the
Cohesion is
tendency
the
of particles
tendency to the particle to stick to
is
another.
known as cohesion.
Yes. Then differentiate between. Next question. Kumari Srishti, write the question first. Differentiate between infiltration rate and percolation rate. Differentiate between infiltration rate and percolation rate.
Infiltration rate. Infiltration rate and
Percolation
rate. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat question.
Ma'am, may I?
rate between infiltration rate and percolation rate.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Akansha, you can
Ma'am,
try.
can I? Ma'am, can I give the answer?
You have said once, na? Once you have told. Akansha, you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Answer this question.
Yes, ma'am. Infiltration is the rate at which water enters a soil, while precaution is the rate at which water moves through a soil.
Yes, you can come to the screen while answering.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Answer. Yes. Yes, tell. Rishabh, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell.
Infiltration is the rate at which water enters the soil,
Yes.
and percolation is the rate at which water moves in the soil.
Yes.
Can I? Ma'am, can I?
Correct.
Infiltration is the rate in which water enters in a soil and at which water moves through the soil.
Yes. Correct. What is soil? Note down. Next question. Quickly note down. What is soil erosion? Avoided. What is? How can it be avoided?
What is the question?
You have got the chance.
Yes, ma'am, I have got the chance.
The students also get the chance. Any other?
ma'am.
Isha, 7B. You have got the chance. Next is student
Can I?
Shivam.
Can I? Soil erosion can be prevented by active afforestation particle. These involve planting of tree on bare land and knobby field, avoiding overgrazing and overuse of land also help in preventing soil erosion.
Then, why it is said that plasticity and cohesion play an important role in the workability of a soil? Again, this question I am repeating. Why it is said that plasticity and cohesion play an important role in the workability of the soil, of a soil?
मैम मैं बोलूं? मैम can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am may I?
You have got the students, please wake up. Please participate.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am can I?
Aman, Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
Aman, you answer. Answer this question. Come to the screen. Aman. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I?
You want to tell?
Ma'am Divya. Ma'am I'm Divya. Ma'am
May I?
Aditi,
Ma'am, can I?
chance na. Kumari.
Yes. Plasticity is the property that enables moist soil to change its shapes and application of forces and retain this shape even when the force is withdrawn. On this basis, sandy soil may be considered to be non-plastic and clay soil to be plastic. Cohesion is the tendency of similar particles to stick to one another. Plasticity and cohesion affects the soil consistency and workability of the soil. This property is also utilized for making clay pots and terracotta toys.
Yes. Very good. This is a very important question also. Very important question. Okay. Then after that, classify and explain the categories of soil on the basis of the texture of the soil. Classify and explain the categories of soil on the basis of the texture of the soil.
May I?
There are three categories: sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy.
Ma'am may I?
Describe also.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am there are three types of
Sarika,
soil. Texture soil is
7C.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Answer. Classify.
Yes, ma'am.
Sandy soil.
Sandy soils have soil particles that are
Sandy
bigger
soil
in
is
size.
The
Yes.
large space between them are filled with air.
Shivam, you are interrupting in between. Let us speak. When one speaks, other don't disturb. Sarika,
Okay,
why-
ma'am.
Sarika, complete the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Sandy soils have soil particles that are bigger in size. The large spaces between them are filled with air. They are therefore said to be well aerated. Such soils cannot retain water as water can drain out quickly through the spaces between the sand particles. Sandy soil needs more frequent irrigation for successful crop growth. Clay soils Clay soils have a higher proportion of fine and smooth soil particles. There is very little space between the soil particles. Such soils cannot retain air. Clay soils can retain more water than sandy soils. This high water holding capacity can cause problems like waterlogging in the fields. Loamy soil. Loamy soils is a mixture of sand, silt and clay particles. It can hold both air and water. Loamy soil has humus also. It is considered to be the best soil for growing most of the crops.
Can I? Ma'am, complete.
Okay.
Ma'am, completed.
It is a very long answer. It can be.
Go to a different place. Then, after that, write a short note on composition of soil. Question is, write a short note on composition of soil.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? May I? Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, composition of soil. Ma'am, can I?
Wait.
Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Got the chance, they will wait.
Ma'am, I can take.
Ma'am, may I?
Can you hear me?
Can I
May I?
Yes, ma'am.
You just answer.
Ma'am.
A short note. Others, close your screen. Others, close your screen. Those who will answer, they will only open theirs. Write a short note on composition of soil. I have told Abhinay. Are you able to hear me? Abhinay Kumar? Abhinay? सुनाई दे रही है? बोलो आंसर करो. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, Shivam Kumar.
Composition of soil depends on the nature of the parent rock and the quantity and the type of organic materials present in it. The following compounds are generally found in emerging substance. Most of the organic substance present in the soil are derived from the parent rock, organic matter, humus, and decaying parts of plants and animals. Humus increase the property and the water holding the capacity of the soil. Soil water effect plant produce soil water space between the soil particles contain air. Soil air is important for the respirations of root. Soil air content due to the water logging which cannot result in poor plant growth and even death of plant. Living organisms. A variety of organisms are found in soil. This include microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and algae. Insects and earthworm are also known as the nature plug man. Ma'am, completed.
What about the last? Yes. Okay. Nah, ठीक है. Complete.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Rishabh, you want to speak?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I? Yes, ma'am. Can I? Can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I answer?
Question. Rishabh Raj.
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute, ma'am, I'm telling. The composition of soil is inorganic substances, organic material, soil water, soil air, and living organisms. Inorganic substances. Most of the inorganic substances present in the soil are derived from the parent rock. Addition of fertilizers also affect the inorganic content of the soil. Organic material or humus. This includes dead and decaying parts of plants and animals. Humus increases the productivity and water holding capacity of the soil. Soil water. It is generally present in the spaces between the soil particles. Soil water content of the soil has a significant effect on plant productivity. Soil air. Soil air is important for the respiration of roots. Soil air contains decreases due to waterlogging, which can result in poor plant growth and even death of plants. Living organisms. A variety of organisms are found in soil. They include microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and algae. Insects and earthworms are also present in the soil. Earthworms are known as nature's plowmen.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
completed.
Okay. Now next question.
मैम E4 का आंसर मैम थोड़ा छोटा नहीं हो सकता है?
E4. E4 you have to give 3 examples. So how can you shorten it? What have you written? Omkar, what have you written the answer of E4? Tell me. Read out.
Ma'am, I am not telling.
And who has asked? Who has asked to shorten? You have to give 3 examples of the crops that are grown in the in different soils. So you 3 examples you have to give it. Other thing I have not given anything extra in that. Okay.
Ma'am, I can.
And after that, let us add some more students.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. What do you want? Do you want to answer the question?
मैम आज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
आवाज आएगी जब मैं बोलूंगी तब ना आएगी आवाज.
मैम क्वेश्चन पूछिए ना.
The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil. Give 3 examples in support of this statement.
I can.
Arya Singh.
Ma'am, can I answer? Ma'am, can I?
No, you can
मैम
answer.
कैन आई? मैम कैन आई? मैम शिवम कुमार.
The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends upon the type of
Ma'am, can I?
type of soil component, the humus content, and climatic factors in that region. Example: cereal crops like wheat and rice are grown in clay or loamy soil. Paddy grows well in clay soil, which is rich in organic matter. Cotton crops need well aerated soil for a good productivity. So the loamy soil is hence preferred for the growth of cotton crops.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
anybody
can I
else
also answer?
who can? Yes,
Ma'am, I can.
Rishabh, bolo.
Ma'am, can I?
The type of crops that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil, soil components, the humus content, and the climatic factors in that region. Cereal crops like wheat and legumes like gram grow well in clay and loamy soils. Paddy grows well in soil that are clay and rich in organic matter and are therefore able to retain water. Cotton grows well in well aerated soil that also drain water easily. Hence, sandy loam or loam soils are preferred for
Growing cotton. Growing cotton.
Yes. Next question is.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am, may I take a
Tell who wants to tell. Who wants to
Ma'am,
answer?
Ma'am
Shivam.
Shivam.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depend on the type of soil, the soil component, the humus content, and the climate factors in that region. Cereals crop like wheat and legumes like worm well in clay and loamy soil. Paddy grow well in soil that are clay and rich in organic matter. Cotton grow well in well aerated soil that also drain water easily. Hence, sandy, loamy or loam soil is preferred.
Okay. Now, next question. Next question. What is soil erosion? How can it be avoided? Once again, you
Can
are.
Ma'am, can I Omkar? Ma'am, Omkar.
answer yourself?
Ma'am, Omkar. Omkar.
I'm Divyansh.
Ma'am, Omkar. Ma'am, me.
I'm Divyansh.
Ma'am, Omkar. Ma'am, Omkar.
Kushagra.
Divyansh.
Kushagra, please answer. Can you
Ma'am,
hear
can I?
Kushagra?
Ma'am,
No.
may I answer?
Ma'am, may I answer? Ma'am, may I answer? Ma'am, may I answer?
Can you
Ma'am,
connect?
Omkar.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Omkar.
What is soil erosion and how can it be avoided?
Ma'am, may I answer? Ma'am, may I answer?
Soil erosion implies the removal of topsoil by agents such as wind and water. Soil erosion can be prevented by extensive afforestation practices. This involves the planting of trees on bare lands and nearly fields, avoiding overgrazing and overuse of land, also helping in preventing soil erosion.
Soil erosion can be prevented by active afforestation particles.
Ma'am,
This
done.
involves planting of
Ma'am, may I?
trees and noble field. Avoiding
Ma'am, I want to
overgrazing
answer.
land also helps prevent soil erosion.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to
You
answer.
have answered one question, na?
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Rohit, can you answer?
मैं बोली थी उसका क्या
हाँ, रोहित नहीं बोल पाएगा.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Soil erosion. Soil.
प्रियांशु, तो अभी आपने आंसर किया था ना?
Ma'am, I can.
ठीक है, आप कुमारी सृष्टि, I am giving you the chance to just answer. Not able to connect? कुशाग्र, आप कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं? कुशाग्र.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Kumal.
Yes, ma'am.
Kushagra, can you answer?
Ma'am, the degradation of the top layer of the soil is called soil erosion.
How can it be avoided?
It can be avoided if we plant more trees, as their roots will hold the soil in place.
Some more prevention of points. और क्या कर सकते हो? Afforestation.
Avoid
Avoid the overgrazing.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now,
may I?
Shweta. Shweta is here. Shweta Sinha. Shweta Sinha. You tell answer. Write one difference between clay, sand, clay, and silt. Shweta Sinha. Can you hear?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Drishti,
ma'am,
tell your name first.
can I answer?
I want to answer. Can I?
Ma'am, can I answer? Core up on
You
sand,
want to
the
answer?
smaller particle that are
Ma'am, I
smooth
want to
are
answer.
on clay. The
I want to
intermediate
answer.
particle that are neither very rough nor too
Shivam,
smooth
stop.
are
Shivam,
tempered.
wait a minute. Let Tanu answer. एक जब बोलने लगते हो तो दूसरे का लाइन कट हो जाता है. तनु आंसर है.
Sand are the bigger and coarse particle of the soil. Clay are very smooth particles of soil, and silt are the particles which are not too very rough or not too very smooth.
Now next question is list the 4 main agents of physical withering. What
Ma'am,
are
can I?
the
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, may I?
Rishabh bolo.
Ma'am, can I? Yes, ma'am. Four agents of physical weathering are temperature, water, wind, and plants and animals.
Yes. Now children, you please focus on the question answers which are given in your book. Okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
extra you don't learn from the book, only the question answers you concentrate, because in 10 marks we don't touch extra question from inside the book. And all of you, please don't give PDF tomorrow. Don't submit PDF. Click direct photograph and send.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow's exam.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Write
Okay, ma'am.
your in class section, roll number, admission number clearly with black pen. And not very top,
Okay, ma'am.
on the top of the paper. जहाँ से line शुरू होता है वहाँ पर लिखोगे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
और
Okay, ma'am.
PDF बिल्कुल नहीं भेजना बेटा. That becomes very hectic for us to open and check. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? All the best.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Name मैम लास्ट लाइन पे भी लिख देंगे.
क्लास में भी लिख दीजिएगा आप लोग.
Okay, ma'am.
में भी.
मैम
क्योंकि
Okay, ma'am.
आप लोग टॉप में लिखते हो तो रोल नंबर दिखता नहीं है. और ब्लैक पेन
Okay, ma'am.
हेजी पेन,
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
use हेजी ब्लू पेन्स. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
मैम चैप्टर 10 सेंड कर दीजिएगा.
all of you best of luck.
हेलो
हाँ बोलो.
मैम चैप्टर 10 सेंड कर दीजिएगा.
क्यों अभी तक आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखा नहीं है?
मैम
बस
पीयूष
सेंड
नहीं
कर
लिखा है
दीजिएगा.
मैम.
कौन नहीं लिखा है?
मैम पीयूष.
हाँ तो आप लास्ट दिन मांगोगे तो देन आई एम हेल्पलेस फॉर दैट.
बस मैम क्लास में भी नहीं करता मैम. मैम हम
Okay,
भेज
ma'am.
देंगे.
Always lazy learn. I know you very well. आज आप क्वेश्चन आंसर मांग रहे हो तो आप कब लर्न करोगे? Take the help of your class students. Okay. Thank you and best of luck for tomorrow, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Best of luck all of you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.